I've really enjoyed learning skills that help benefit me in the future. I've been doing a club in the local primary school which helped me understand more about my community and how inequality in STEM has affected them. I want to be a journalist, so helping analysing and researching and seeing if data is reliable has really helped me. I think it'll help me go into the workforce and get some work experience as well. I did a TED talk which would also help me with journalism. I was able to talk about the facts and the statistics about what was going on in my community and all around the world. I'd say it's a lot less pressure. Most of my subjects are exam based, so that's quite a lot of pressure through May and April. But yeah, I think it's a lot of less pressure to get stuff right first time. I can go over my work and see what I've done wrong and improve upon it.